Hi, I'm Adrian McDermott, the CTO of Zendesk. What do we think about AI? Well, by 2025, all service will be AI first, and by 2030, AI will replace the majority of frontline customer interactions. AI is still clearly not perfect, but we've seen tremendous progress. AI is already outpacing doctors in detecting fractures. We could drive self-driving cars. We can drive around in them. That's like magical. I didn't imagine that that would be a thing in my lifetime, and yet it is, even if they occasionally leap a river. And in CX land, I think we've gotten used to the way AI can help us react to customer conversations. If you think about the whole customer journey, right, we can automate, recommendations and prediction and responses for our users. I think by 2025, we'll see more preventative anticipation and proactive engagement with users, enriching the whole cycle, not just the part at which they ask you a question. Super powerful, excited for that future. And then as we move into 2030, I think what's going to be interesting, accelerated by the Great Resignation, is that eventually AI will be able to automate almost 75% of frontline customer interaction tasks. That doesn't mean I think that those jobs are going to be replaced. It just means that you'll be able to deploy people to richer, more personal, more interactive activities in any job site, in any customer service interaction, in any sales interaction, and spend less time up front on the difficult pieces of collecting information and gathering intent. And I think that is a trend that will continue.